Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So to fix this VAL51 error code in Valorant, you're gonna need a few things. The first thing is making sure your Windows PC is updated. Next up, let's go to desktop. So this is gonna be your desktop, right? So the first thing you wanna do right now is hit the Windows key right there, type in services, this one right here. So we need to look for VGC, as in victory, and then looking for G and C, just type in VGC there, and this one, click on refresh. Once you click on refresh, click on restart, and then restart your PC, and try if a problem still persists. So if the problem still persists, you can do the second one. So on your Valorant launcher, right click this one, and you can run this as admin. If you want to make this a permanent solution, making sure everyone is going to be as an admin, go to properties. In here, making sure click on advanced, make sure click on run as administrator, click OK, click on apply, so every time you run Valorant, it's going to be as an admin. That's second step. So if the problem is still persisting, this is the final one I can give you. So type in the run command, this one right here. Now exactly this code, type it in. That will be this one, local updata, with those percentage icon. Click on OK. Now we're looking for Riot. Inside Riot, delete this folder. Okay? So Riot games should be deleted. So don't worry if you're worried that you might having an error on your Valorant games, because once you run Valorant again as an admin, they will reinstall Riot games as well. So don't worry about that one. Well, that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.